reporting right after interacting with Team Not 404. They claim to have brought a significant revolution in the case of news reporting and access. Their project is a decentralized public news sharing platform. It is news of the people, by the people, and for the people. With this app, users can post, access, report, or share news which they encounter. Since it is a decentralized app, no central authority can control any news and push their agenda. Also, users are encouraged to post valid news reports by compensating them accordingly and fining them when they report false information. With the newest and upcoming technologies in computer science, the team has come up with a solution to detect fake news and remove them from the platform, one of which include machine learning. I believe this will revolutionize the platform in news reporting and modern world where anyone and everyone can report news and spread truth to everyone else. The power to spread the truth lies with you.
Thanks, Gerald. So I'll be demoing our project now. So firstly, this is the login screen where you can log in with your public address once you have logged in with MetaMask. So it's going to directly take your preferences and your public address and register you, and immediately it will start showing your posts of your preference based on the rating, good ratings. So now I'll be posting one of my own photo post. This says Subhash Chandra Bose was the first Prime Minister of Undivided. This is the innovative component in our project where we actually give a syntax called the news language, which has its own CFGs and grammar. And this is just a POC. We are not able to completely implement it. We are going to give constructs on subject, object, and predicate, which will give us a non-NLP kind of structure for the news language, which has very clear definitions of what a news article means without the NLP nuances for us to check the posts with the articles very clearly. So with this, we can implement it onto our model to improve its accuracy. So here you can see that after the model was posted, you could see the claim came in here, so saying Subhash Chandra Bose was the first prime minister, and it gave the verdict as true. So now you can see the article was posted successfully, and you will be able to see it in the under my profile. And so these are a list of all my posts which will be loaded, and you can see that down below here there's the post that says Subhash Chandra Bose was the prime minister. So going on, we will show you how to report a post. Let's say now there was already Narendra Modi is president of India was the post, and there is already a report post saying Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India, and there are nine commits or nine confirmations for the post. So when we add, I am going to add the 10th confirmation saying that it is actually fake, and the 10th confirmation is going to flag.
So coming to the code base of our project, we basically have four folders here, which is backend, front end of the website, the entire framework of the smart contract and the blockchain, and we have a Flask model, which, as I said, explains the takes a claim and gives the truth rating of the claim. So coming to the backend, we can see that we have multiple controllers. The avatar controller controls the image, the profiles of the person, and it has stores the images of the person, the tags, the preferences of the user, and the brownie points as well. Brownie points and the reputation that the user has gained through time. The post controller controls the post and all the stores information about the posts, certain information necessary to show it. And the scrape controller helps the truth model to web scrape data. And you can see the routes here to add profile, update profile, delete profile, get tags, etc, etc. Now coming to the front end. Front end has this is self-explanatory and you can see it in the demo, but here we have the helper functions which interact with the blockchain using web3.js and hard hat, and each of these functions create their own contract, get contact person from the context of the front end, and they perform RPC calls from the backend. So every user has an account in the with our app, and he deposits amount into the app, and all the money transactions that happen will take place through the this money, and if any penalties that we have to be levied will be deducted from this money. So no direct interaction of money will be required when the user is posting or etc. When he's doing so, it will be prepaid. So all these are happening here, and these are the helper functions. These are the other support libraries for the front end. And when we come to the main backbone of our project, we have two scripts here, the solidity scripts. One is for article and the other is for the advertisement. So the article script has events for posting and view posts, and it has and refuting articles, and it also has two structures giving post and report. So this post is any generic post which has all these variables, but even report is treated as a post. So a report will be marked as a report post, and it will have an ID mapping to the struct report. and it has the following functions: to post articles, to withdraw money from the article, which has these validations, to get posts by tag, to get posts by id. So this is for the viewer to see him, and the interactions are not increased. So here the interactions are truly randomized, and you can see that the posts interaction is randomly selected by this hashing function, and the interactions are incremented, and there is no way for the user to query his own post and increase the interactions to earn money. So this is where the user sees his own post, and there is no interaction increment here. He can keep on seeing it. This is reporting articles, and confirming reports. So there are certain more utility functions here, and we also have a contract to show advertisements. So these advertisement contracts take in ads, and they you can pay for the ads. So you can see it here, that you can create a new you can do targeted ads by creating with them with tags and targeting them to the specific user with the tag listed, so that you can make new ad. You can get random ad to display in your device, and you can also populate the ad and top it up. So this is the ad contract, and we have also implemented the advertisements in our model. So coming back to the final thing, which is the fake news detection model, which is happening after the confirm, when we confirm the post and the rating of the thing is calculated. So first there is a it generates there is a, when there is a claim, it takes in the claim and generates a question out of that claim. So if there is Joe Biden is president, it takes who is the president, and it gains who is the president as the question, and then it goes here and does querying. So you need context of the querying. So for that, if you do not have context, you get the context of it. So with this get articles in the rest model, it gets the context of the uh, question, the who is the president. It's going to grab articles for who is the president from the web, and it initializes this model, and it gives question and answer, question and context. Once we give question and context, we are going to get an answer. So we're going to get an answer out of these question and context, and then when we do the similarity checking of these and compare this similarity with the rating, that calculated rating that we have, we can give